Make money online. How to make money on YouTube in 2023, featuring Markiplier. Agenda. In today's video, we're talking about clout, timeline, how he makes money, key takeaway, action steps, clout. Markiplier. He has 11 million followers on Instagram. He has 34 million subscribers on YouTube. He has 13 million followers on Twitter. He has 6 million followers on TikTok. He has 3 million followers on Facebook. And he has a net worth of $35 million. His timeline. In 1989, he was born in Honolulu, Hawaii, but grew up in Cincinnati, Ohio, where his parents and older brother, Jason Thomas, fished back. In 2007, he graduated from Milford High School. Most notably, he was a member of the school's marching band, playing the trumpet. In 2012, he launched his YouTube channel, Markiplier, posting entertaining video game playthroughs, but his first channel was banned, so he was forced to relaunch a new channel. In 2012, he studied biomedical engineering at the University of Cincinnati, but later dropped out to pursue YouTube full-time. In 2014, his new YouTube channel, Markiplier Game, climbs to success, hitting the new Media Rockstars Top 100 charts in the 61st place. In 2014, he moves from Cincinnati, Ohio, to the mecca of YouTube and entertainment, Los Angeles, with the goal of getting closer to other YouTubers in order to do more collaborations. In 2014, he creates his most popular video game playthrough series based on the game Five Nights at Freddy's, which goes viral with over 100 million views to date. 2015, he moves into a house with two other YouTubers, Daniel Kyrie and Ryan McGee, from the music channel Syndigo. In 2015, he goes into temporary hiatus from YouTube after Daniel Kyrie dies from attempted suicide, resulted in the breakup of Syndigo. In 2015, after a break from YouTube, he resumes creating YouTube videos and crosses 10 million subscribers. In 2015, he co-hosts the South by Southwest Gaming Awards and was featured in YouTube Rewind 2015. In 2017, he begins creating comedy sketch-style videos, including A Date with Markiplier, which was a popular interactive action-adventure-style video. In 2018, he launches a gaming leisure-style clothing line, Cloak, with YouTuber Jacksepticeye. The brand partnered with various game producers, including Five Nights at Freddy's. In 2018, he creates a Tasteful Nudes charity calendar to celebrate hitting 20 million subscribers, with the money from a 48-hour sale all going to Cancer Research Institute. In 2019, he continues to create popular comedy sketches and interactive action-adventure style videos, including A Heist with Markiplier, a YouTube Originals collaboration. In 2021, he launched a podcast, Distractable, with YouTubers Barnes and Muskins, which quickly rose to number 1 on the charts for both Spotify and Apple Podcasts with its first episode. In 2022, he creates a sequel to the Tasteful Nude calendar, but this time on OnlyFans. Again, all the proceeds went to Cincinnati Children's Hospital and the World Food Program. How he makes money. YouTube partner. On his YouTube channel, Markiplier, he has 34 million subscribers and 19 billion video views. The YouTube partnership program pays content creators based on revenue sharing from ads being served on their content. Endorsements. He has signed several sponsorship deals for his videos. Some of his sponsors include Nexon, Oculus, Alien Blackout, Blank Media Games, Gung Ho Online Entertainment, Ninjala, Leighton Games, Aches Body Spray, Robot Entertainment, and Yotta, to name a few. Merchandise. He has an online store, Markiplier.com, built with Shopify, which sells his merch, including his mustache collection of hoodies, hats, t-shirts, trousers, and accessories. TikTok Creator Fund. He has a TikTok channel with 6 million followers where he shares comedy sketches, let's play, and entertaining videos. The TikTok Creator Fund pays its content creators based on performances, i.e. views, engagement, and subscribers. Meta Program. He has a Facebook channel with 3 million followers where he shares a mixture of personal entertainment, promotional, and content for his followers. Meta has a few different partnership programs, allowing content creators to get paid based on content, ads, and brand partnerships. Business. He runs a clothing brand, Cloak, along with YouTube Septic Eye, which sells gamer loungewear. Cloak has collaborated with popular gaming producers to create some of the clothing, including Five Nights at Freddy's, Dead Space, Minecraft, Mojang Studios, and the Origin Trail. Comic books. He joined forces with Red Giant Entertainment to create a line of comic books based on himself, Markiplier. The comic books told the story of Markiplier as a cartoon participating in various different adventures. Philanthropy. He created a number of charity and fundraising campaigns with the sole aim of raising money to donate to the Cancer Research Institute, Cincinnati Children's Hospital, and the World Food Program. Such examples include Tasteful Nudes Calendar, Markiplier from North Korea, and the monthly charity live streams he did. Short films. He made his acting debut in various short films, including In Space with Markiplier, Ninja Sex Party in the Mystic Crystal, A Date with Markiplier, A Heist with Markiplier, and Smosh the Movie. TV shows. He made his acting debut in various TV series, including Villainous, The Edge of Sleep, Subnautica, and Gamer's Guide to Pretty Much Everything. Music. He made his music debut on Spotify and Apple Podcasts with a few popular music videos. These accidental music videos were created using samples from his YouTube videos, including Space is Cool, The Last Goodbye, and I Don't Want to Be Free podcast. He's created 2 popular podcast shows, Distractable and Go, My Favorite Sports Team, both of which are streamed exclusively on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Amazon Music. Investments. He's made investments into early stage companies to exchange for equity, including Sundays for Dogs. Appearances. He's made various appearances through tours, events, conferences, and exhibitions as a public speaker and entertainer, sometimes providing motivational advice for aspiring YouTubers and influencers, whilst other times simply entertaining his fans. Some of his speaking engagements include VidCon, PAX West, and Markiplier You're Welcome Tour. Markiplier's earnings from YouTube in 2022 were $38 million, according to the source Forbes. Key takeaway. The key takeaway from all of this is know your why. Understand that you need to know why you're getting into this. Why do you want to get into YouTube? And why do you want to start becoming an influencer on YouTube? What is your purpose behind this? The more of a why that you have, the stronger of a why you have, the more you're going to be able to push through all the difficult times. And there will be difficult times because it's not going to be plain sailing. He's been doing this for a long while. He's been doing it for a number of years, and he's been through lots of ups and downs. Like he had one of his really good friends passing away of suicide. Lots of incidences happen, and obviously just the case of, persisting with something for so long. Sometimes you get bored, sometimes you get tired. That's when you need to know your why. So your first why should always be right now, deliver value. Your purpose is to deliver value to the people that you're, going to be having you as your subscribers, as your fans and followers. You need to deliver value to them. So make that one of your number one reasons as to why you're creating this channel. 2, make a difference. Go beyond just money right now. I want you to understand that you can make a contribution. So for example, if you're creating this YouTube channel, I want you to have a difference, a separation from all the other YouTubers that are just trying to make money, and make a difference by saying that, okay, fine, I want to help people to have better health. If that's what you're trying to do with regards to a fitness channel, or if you're trying to do an educational channel, I make a difference in the sense that you want to help people to become more intelligent or to be more academic. Or if you're trying to make another channel to do with, sports or something like this, you're trying to help people to discover new hobbies and interests and new things they can do with their lives. So have a purpose as to why you're trying to do this and make a difference beyond just money. Love. With Markiplier, if you look back into his old videos, you're going to see that he expresses a great love for doing YouTube. It's beyond the money for him. And even in his most recent interviews, he still mentions the fact that he's doing what he loves. He loves what he does, and it's not about the money for him, and it never has been about the money for him. And he even feels like he makes too much money from all of this, but it's because he's doing it for the love of it. So are you doing this for the love of it, or are you just trying to make money? Because if you're just trying to make money, you're going to find it difficult. But if you could do it for the love, if you do it for making a difference, if you do it for delivering value, you're going to find funny enough that you actually start to make money from it. So think about, do you love doing YouTube? Do you love what you're trying to deliver as value on your YouTube channel? Or even if you don't love it, can you begin to love it? Can you get to love it? Can you see it from a new perspective so that you can start to love it? Because that's really going to help you. Continuous improvement. Thumbnails. That's an easy place to begin with improving your YouTube videos and your YouTube content. Start on the thumbnail. The thumbnail is the first thing people are going to see of your videos. So make sure that you can, create a thumbnail that's going to be enticing enough for people to want to click it. It's a very easy thing to do. You might focus a lot of attention into recording and, what you're going to put in your YouTube video. But have you really thought about, the fact that if nobody even clicks it, you're not going to get any views anyhow. So focus on the thumbnail, see what you can do. What can you put on the thumbnail? Could it be, a very enticing image? Could it be, something that's a bit clickbaity that will make people think, oh, I wonder what's this video about? Work on your thumbnails and continuously improve them. Titles, as well as the thumbnail, the title is the second thing they're going to see, they're going to read. If the title isn't very engaging, if it isn't something that they're interested in, then they're not even going to bother click it. But if you can do, improvements on your titles over time, make your titles a bit more aligned with what the ideal, viewer of your video is looking for, then they're going to be more enticed by that headline. They're going to be more, encouraged to actually click in, watch the video. They're going to think about, okay, maybe there's an information gap that you've created that, they're curious as to what this video is all about. So work on your titles. And the video itself, work on the video, continuously improve it, see what you can do to make it better. Maybe every video you create, you write down what went well, what didn't go well, how could you improve it? Gratitude. So, it's very easy to get into YouTube or get into, doing all this influencer stuff online, getting into making money online and not to be grateful because you're looking at other people and you're looking at the results and success that they have. And, you're comparing yourself and you're judging yourself, but you really need to start being grateful from the very beginning, just even for your very small amount of views, small amount of subscribers, a small amount of engagement, or just for the fact that if nobody watches, the fact that you actually went all the way through with, what you said you were going to do, you created a video, you created a channel and you posted on there. Just the fact that you did that, just be grateful that you were able to, be in the position where you're actually delivering something, you're building a community online, you're sharing your knowledge or you're sharing what you love to do, be grateful for that. Remain humble. As you do start to build a following and views and you do start to get into the rhythm of things, maybe you're up to maybe 20, 30 or 100 videos now, you've gone past the startup mode, remain humble. I mean, Markiplier, although he's achieved huge success with his YouTube channel, he still remains very humble to this day. Even with all the money he's generated, he still remains very humble. He hasn't let it get to his head. So you should be the same. Don't let it get to your head. Be grateful. It's a better perspective. It's a positive perspective to be in rather than just being a negative, comparing yourself all the time. Give back. So as you do succeed on YouTube and you do start to generate money, see it from the perspective of that you want to give back. You want to, show your gratitude by giving back to other people that, maybe are not in such a great circumstance as yourself, don't have the opportunities that you have. You can give back to charities. You can even do fundraising like the way that Markiplier was doing. By doing these fundraisers, you could actually raise money. It might even work out that you build more attention for yourself. But just by giving back, you're showing gratitude. So the action steps. The action steps for today's video. Create your account. That's a start. Because without creating your account, we can't get going. Design it. So I want you to go ahead and start designing your channel. Go ahead and start adding imagery, adding videos, filling in the bio, the profile, put a cover image, put a profile image, start designing it and making it your own. Post content. So create a schedule for yourself. If that's going to be a daily, weekly, or maybe twice or 3 times a week, however you schedule it, start posting content on there and get into a rhythm. Don't procrastinate. It doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, we said continuous improvement. We're not trying to say that it's going to be perfect from the very beginning. And sell something. Now, I know you might be thinking, okay, you've got nothing to sell and you've got no audience. Doesn't matter. Just start from the very beginning, because we need to get into the momentum from the very beginning that we're trying to make money from this. Although we did say earlier on that we need to know our why. One of our reasons for doing this is obviously also to make money. And we're not waiting on the YouTube, partnership program to actually start, making money, when you can start making money from the very beginning through selling something. Or if you don't have anything to sell and you can't create anything, then you can sell somebody else's thing as an affiliate. But I would really recommend you to start selling something. You can create a shop online on places like Shopify, where you can be selling merchandise of your own. Just like Markiplier was also selling a lot of merch, you can create your own merch too. You can start with just a t-shirt, hat, hoodie, whatever you want. Put a logo, put a slogan on it, put a design on it, and start selling it through your channel. Get started selling something immediately. Look, do what you love and you'll love what you do. So I want you to do what you love with your YouTube channel. What is your hobbies and interests? What do you do in your spare time? Share that on your channel, because that's clearly something that you have an interest in, something that you already love. So you're not doing anything that is out of the ordinary there. And by you doing what you love, you're going to love, and you're going to enjoy this whole journey and process on YouTube, because you're going to be doing something that, you have an interest in. If you create a YouTube channel and you start, posting stuff on, something that you have no interest in, but maybe you thought that maybe there's money in it, maybe it's to do with technology and you have no interest in technology, you're going to actually turn this thing into something that you hate. But if you find that, okay, there is a hobby or interest that you love, when you enjoy doing, no matter what it is, if it's knitting, it's knitting. If it's cooking, it's cooking. If it's, drawing, do drawing. Just create a channel, post content on things that you love, and then we can build and monetize around that. Now, we have a free training program. The link is in the description or the bio below. You can learn exactly how to go from 0 to 25K in 20 months or less. The program is your first 25K. So sign up for your first 25K and get module 1 of the course 100% free. Go check out the link below.